Hi, this is Pam from the Birch Cottage blog. In this video tutorial, I would like to show you how to create and cut gift tags using recycled or repurposed Christmas cards. Let's take a look. I'm using my Cricut Maker and Cricut Design Space. I already have a design that I have saved called Christmas Ornament Patterns. And I have membership in the Cricut Access, which gives me access to all their designs. And I'm using those to create my gift tags. So the first thing that you will want to do is to measure your Christmas card. And whatever the size is, for example, mine is 5 inches by 7 inches, you'll want to add a shape to your design that is the same dimensions as your card. So you can drag, to resize that shape. You can type the measurements directly in the box at the top of the screen. You want to be sure to unlock unlock it so that you can customize the width and the height. And then place that shape behind your ornaments. So select the ornaments that you want to use, ornament shapes, I should say, that you want to use for your gift tags, and then place them on your card where you want to cut out the designs. I'm going to use 2 of the designs on this card. And just continue placing them, moving them, and resizing them until I get them where I want them. And then I'm going to hide the rectangle because I don't want to include that in my cutting, and I'm going to hide the other ornament that I'm not using right now. I'll select those 2 shapes and then click on attach, and then I'm ready to cut my design. So I'm going to click on make it, and the first screen will show me exactly where my cutouts are placed. Once I'm happy with the placement of the design on my mat, I'm going to click on Continue. Design Space will connect to my Cricut, and I will select the paper type that I'm using, which is cardstock, and then click on Next. I will continue by following the prompts on the screen, placing the card on my mat, loading it into my Cricut, and pressing the Load button, and then pressing the Go button. Let's take a look. Okay, so I have placed the Christmas card on the top left corner of my mat, and I have it lined up. You can see it's 5 inches by 7 inches. I'm going to press on the load button to load it into my Cricut. And then when the flashing go, the little Cricut icon flashes, I will press on it for my design to begin cutting. Before I placed the Christmas card on my mat, I cut it along the fold and separated the front of the card from the back of the card, and I'm only using the front of the card to make my gift tags. And there you can see how the Cricut cut the ornament shapes out of the Christmas card. When the Cricut is through cutting out the designs, I will press the Load Unload button to remove the mat from the Cricut machine. To remove my design from the mat, I'm going to flip the mat over so the mat is on top and then gently pull my design away from the mat. This will help to keep my cut pieces from curling. And there you can see just how nicely and precisely my Cricut Maker cut these ornament shapes from my Christmas cards. I think they're going to make lovely Christmas gift tags. And that puppy's face, isn't it adorable? I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial on how to recycle or repurpose Christmas gift cards and make Christmas gift tags. Thank you so much for watching it. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and please visit me at the Birch Cottage blog for more creative ideas. Thank you.